Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be making some really cute summer accessories with Raffia. So if you guys are interested, then please keep watching. Alright, so first up we need to make our pom-poms. So I did get these pom-pom makers from Amazon. They come in multiple sizes and they also include a nice little pair of scissors to go with it to make it easier to cut. Here I'm just kind of showing you how this works. These are really neat. I will link them down below. Next you're going to need some raffia. I got this rainbow colored raffia from Amazon. I will also link that down below. But it's super simple. You're just going to wrap your raffia around this little device here, as you can see. Now I only wrapped it around once because I didn't want it to be too thick. You'll see later why. Go ahead and wrap it. Make sure you keep it nice and taut. Then you're going to tuck the little in there and kind of tie it. And then we're going to close that side, open up the other one, and do the exact same thing. Just the key here is making sure it's nice and taut. So now you're going to take those scissors that came with it and you're going to cut along that groove there, as you can see. Now you're going to take some rope or some twine. I'm going to thread it through here and tie a knot. Now this is a little bit elastic, this string, so this worked out better for me, but you can use any kind of string or twine. Then you're going to basically take this apart and there is your pom-pom. Now I know it looks kind of weird, but I'm going to flatten it out. I'm going to spread everything out, trim it to make sure they all are even. I'm going to cut the string off and just fluff it because I want it flat. We are going to glue this to the shoe. Next you're going to be taking some red raffia. Now I totally didn't realize that when I bought the multicolored one that I was pairing it with red shoes, so I did want to tie in the red here, so I just crisscrossed them and hot glued them down. Now I've got these little wood circles. I'm going to glue one on the back and then I'm going to flip it over, trim off those extra red strands so they match. So this is what we are going to make. So we are going to make that bead center. You're going to want to take a smaller wood round circle. It came in a pack of all different sizes, some gold paint, and then I've got these gold beads. And you're just going to hot glue them on. Super easy. Now this step was completely optional, but I feel like it really made it look dressy and it made it look like something you would buy in the store. I thought it was super pretty. I've seen shoes like this before and they are always just so expensive. So I made it for a fraction of the cost at home. So now we put the larger beads around the outside. Now we're going to take some hot glue and dab it in there and just drop in these smaller beads. Going to kind of make like a flower shape. Now we're going to turn around and glue that onto the pom-pom itself. Push it down, make sure it's nice and secure, and here's what it looks like. Really pretty, and I went ahead and made a bunch off screen, but I wanted you guys to see how I made it. Super simple. So here I already did this one shoe, as you can see, so we are going to hot glue the other flowers onto the shoe. Now you could use E6000, I didn't have any, but hot glue will work. If these do come off when I'm wearing them, I will definitely use some E6000 in the future, but this glue is from Gorilla Glue, so it's really good stuff. It'll hold it really well. And that is it, guys. These are so cute. I got these sandals from Target. They were on clearance for $5. All right, next up is our Tassel bag. I got this bag from Amazon. It was 15 bucks. Then you're gonna take that exact same raffia. And I got this really large sewing needle from Hobby Lobby. So I went ahead and cut all of my raffia into little sections there. You're basically gonna fold it in half and weave it through the needle and then weave it through the bag, as you can see. You're gonna pull it just till you get that loop through, like so. Take off the needle and then pull it through. I hope that makes sense. You can always go back and rewatch this, but it was really easy to do. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do that for all of the colors. Now I did 3 rows of these just to make it look really, really full, but I really love how this purse turned out. Like I said, I've seen bags like this and they're super expensive. So I think this cost maybe like 19 bucks if you count in the raffia. And the bag was $15, super cheap and very, very cute. I really love this one. Now I made these smaller pom-poms. They were a little bit too small, but I did save them. So I'm gonna go ahead and flatten them out and then add some little beads there in the center. We're gonna use these as kind of like a bag charm or like a keychain for your bag. Alright, and here's what they look like. Now I'm just going to tie them together and then kind of loop it around the bag there, the handle of the bag. Now this is completely optional, but I had them, so I was like, this would be really cute. I like little bag charms, so love that. Really, really cute. Alright, last but not least, we're going to be making some earrings. I got these hoop earrings from Michaels, as well as the hooks and the beads. They all came from Michaels. So I decided to make my own little tassel earrings here, and I also did some hoops you'll see in a minute. So you're basically just going to detach this earring piece here and then just thread on those little beads. And then in between each bead, we're going to add a tassel. So we're going to do the same thing. You're going to fold it in half, pull it through the little hole there, and that is it. It's the exact same process that we did with the bag. Really easy to do. And there we go. And then we're gonna add another bead, another tassel, another bead, and so on. So this came out really cute. Don't worry, we are gonna trim down those tassels. They're not gonna be that long, but I did do one of each color that I had, so it will match our bag and our shoes perfectly. And to close it, you're just gonna simply just stick it right back in. And then you're gonna attach the fish hook to the top there after we trim it, and that is it. Here we go. And I did the other one off camera. Super pretty. I trimmed them down. I really like these. They're definitely a statement earring, but I did make these hoops a little bit more simple. So I got these gold hoops that I've had for a long time, and I'm going to be using the same raffia there. And you're simply just going to add some hot glue, glue the raffia to the earring, and then just wrap it nice and tight around the earring, and that's it. I only used 3 colors. I didn't want it to be too bright and too crazy, but you can add each color if you'd like. But the 3 colors I think looked really, really nice. And here they are. These are really cute. I really like the simplicity of these, and the colors will definitely match your bag and your shoes. You can wear it all together. Alright, and that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed these raffia accessories. These were super simple and easy to do. These are perfect for the summer or a beach vacation or even every day. So if you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up so I know. Please consider subscribing if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!